lovers, this is Jessica of jDEVEREUX Beauty, and today I want you to watch me tint my lashes at home. We sell this kit, you can buy online, you can get it in the store, and we use the same brand when you come into the salon to tint your lashes. Now, people have asked me many times, I want to tint my lashes, but I don't know if I can. This is what I say. Do you do your mascara at home without getting it in your eye? And do you want to tint? If you can't do mascara without getting it in your eye, then I wouldn't do it even if you wanted to. And if you don't want to tint, don't tint. You really have to want to. But those are the two things I ask. And know that tint can sting if you get it in your eyes. Like, this isn't, it's not that I figured out how to have that not happen, but I'll show you how I keep it from stinging by being tidy. If you think of it like a mascara, and you watch my video to show you how I do it, you can do it. So if you wanted to tint and you're wearing mascara already successfully, I think you can do it. Give it a watch. Here's the kit we recommend, and you'll need scissors and an angle brush, an oil-free eye wash to wash your eyes, some Q-tips to clean up around later, and again, just do equal parts, tint and developer, and make sure you close those lids tight so they don't oxidize. Mix it up really even, and most people like to use the angle brush to do tinting on their lashes. I'm really focusing on the tips. Those are the lightest part. And then as I get it all over the tips, they take the longest to tint, then I can bring it down closer to the lash line. When you're first starting, don't feel like you have to get it down to the skin. Start with getting most of the lash, 80%, but really focus on those ends and keep it thin. This brand likes a thin coating of tint. I'm just cleaning up a little dot that I don't want it to stain my skin, and wait 5 minutes. Using a wet Q-tip because I did see some specks hit my skin. So that's what you want to keep an eye on. You don't want the specks just to sit. And after the 5 minutes, I'm putting on another layer. I'm waiting another 5 minutes. And I'm putting on a third coat, really thin. Again, hitting those ends, getting pretty much down to the skin, getting the tops. There we go. And then my eyes started to feel a little teary, so I poked a clean Q-tip in my tear duct and it felt so good. So now I'm gonna remove with that original cleansing wipe. With all the cleanser on it, I didn't even do more. There's my ugly cleaning face, it's fine. Get underneath. There's the tint coming off. Now I'm using a Q-tip that's dry to kind of get the excess. And I wouldn't have these lashes without my growth serum. So this is a very clean formula from Canada. Make sure you shake it. That's important. Shake Plume's growth serum. Apply it on my lashes like an eyeliner, close it tight. And Plume has a beautiful lash curler for the finish. I put it about midway up my lash. Clean everything off so you can use it again. Clean that spoolie. They're not delicate. Go in and clean it with your hand soap. Synthetic brush, tap it to get the moisture out, let it dry. Minimal waste and recycle the box. Enjoy.